Well, the deer have been eaten. That's for sure. You can see all the tracks through here. I'm excited to see what we got on camera. Let's check it out. Woohoo! I guess we did get a lot of snow. Didn't seem like it. It's up to my knees. Tell you, that is some snow. Definitely got a solid foot. We're gonna keep cleaning up, and then maybe we're gonna try to get down one of my trails. There's some big poplars I want to take down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use those for the forms for our foundation. Poplar is probably I guess you could say the least desirable wood that we probably have in this property as far as lumber goes. So we're going to use that up, and we'll try to utilize the boards after we're done with the foundation, the slab, and we'll try to save those boards. But I'm going to use those poplars. We're going to cut them to length that we need. We're going to be building a 24 by 32 cabin, so we'll make sure it's dimensional to that, you know, the best we can, and use the least amount of boards to hold our slab together, and you know, then we can fill it up with cement and do our slab foundation. We are going to do radiant heat, rebar, all that stuff, so it's going to be interesting. It'll be the first time doing it. All the plumbing's going to be underneath the ground, all set up, ready to go before the cement truck comes. I mean, obviously we're talking in the spring, but I got to get the trees now because winter's here, the ground's frozen. We're not going to be destroying the you know, the forest floor, stuff like that, killing all kinds of trees and stuff like that. So we're gonna try. The snow's probably too deep, but we're gonna give it a try. If we can't do it, can't do it. We'll wait until closer to the spring when we can get up there and lug them back. The snow's accumulating really fast, I'll tell you that. The mounds of snow. Mounds of snow all over the place. And without this tractor, I don't know if we'd be able to find spots to put snow. Pretty interesting. This tractor's a workhorse for sure. I mean, this mound is all the way out to here. I moved it right back. And we got mounds all over the place. I'm gonna clean up some of this stuff here. I'm gonna try to make a trail to get up there so I can go in the back of the lot, and that's where those poplar are. There's some big poplar back there, nice and straight, really tall too. So we're gonna finish cleaning up over here, and we'll see if we can get up that trail. it doesn't hurt to try. Right now we're inside our septic, pretty much. We tried getting to the trail, it's just not gonna happen. The snow's too deep, the tractor's too small. It's just too damn deep. That's the trail anyway. But we're not gonna make it. Definitely get a solid 2 feet on the ground in most spots. Cleared a path right through our snow pile. But like I said, the tractor just can't make it through. It's too much work. If I was to make it up that trail, it'd probably take me a couple of days. So we're gonna have to wait until maple syrup season when we can make it up there, and everything's all crunchy and hard, and the snowmobile, we can make some trails. The tractor usually stays on top of those trails. So if we can do that, we'll have to wait until like March, when it gets warm during the day, freezes at night, and the trails are nice and hard and crunchy. I can make a path with the snowmobile, like I said, and the tractor can stay on top and get right up the hill to the back of our lot, so we can get some of those poplar out. We don't need to do it right now, as long as they're down before it gets too wet, and we're ready for spring, so we start cutting these things. A lot of cutting to do, but all right, I guess we'll finish cleaning up here and call it a day. And there we have it. Right now we only got 3 does. Well, 1 doe and 2 fawns coming in here. They might be all does, I'm not sure. But put it in a row, kind of keeps them, when they eat, they can stay away from each other, so they're not spreading diseases and stuff if they do have anything. You can see where they came in last night, maybe this morning. They'll be back. They've been coming back every day, so stay tuned. We'll see what we get on camera. Be at least 3 does. They've been coming every day, so it's always interesting to see what's going to show up. Make my father do all the easy work. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. See you soon. Stay warm.